Friday. Today's Friday. I'm about to go on Fridays. It is chest and tricep day at the gym, so I'm about to go kill it at the gym. But this is those eyeshadows. They worked really good. It's really pretty, so I'm glad I got that palette. I gotta play with it some more. But this lipstick, y'all, this is the one I got last night, the Hourglass lipstick, and this is in the color One Day. Totally Tika is the one that told me about this color. I think she has it. Look how pretty. I love this formula. It reminds me of the Surratt Beauty. Do you guys remember those? It reminds me of that formula, or maybe even the Nude Sticks. It's super creamy, super moisturizing. I don't know, I really like it. I'm running super late because I stayed out so late last night. Like, I usually literally go to bed by like 9 o'clock. I think I went to bed at like 1:30 last night. So I've got to run in the gym and get my workout done. It's Friday. I have a pure romance party tonight, so that will be interesting. We've got to do schoolwork. And yesterday I bought a new history curriculum because we're finished with our old one. So we're going to start that today. So I'm kind of excited because it's a full unit study on the Civil War, which I think the boys will really like digging deep into that. You know, I think it'll be super cool for us. So I'm excited to start that. It's weird for me to start something like that on a Friday, but we're all excited about it. So we're just going to start it, kind of look over the book and see what our plan is for this semester as far as history. So that's what we're going to do today. Anyways, that's what's on the agenda today. So I'm gonna go kill this workout now. Can we just say that leftovers are the best? This is my first meal of the day and it looks so good. It's from the Grand Lux Cafe, which is where we ate last night. I guess apparently it's owned by the same people that own Cheesecake Factory. It was really good, and I think I said this last night, but they have one in Vegas. So I told Brad we're gonna go when we're in Vegas next week. But I'm about to eat my food. We're gonna get started. The kids have already done like their chores and stuff, and we're gonna get started on homeschool. It was a good workout. I was kind of slow moving today, but it was a good workout. I'm starving now though. We just started reading the first lesson in this. You see where it says volume 1? Volume 1. But I've got volume 2 of the activity book and the teacher guide. I'm so annoyed.
Well, we're just
Seriously.
gonna have to look at the answers.
Darn. You guys, this is so unorganized. It's stressing me out. I'm about to sit here and like just empty these and reorganize them. It's like so, I guess because it's the middle of the school year, I need to go through and like clean out. This is our homeschool cabinet. I need to go through and like just put things where they belong because it's just so clustered right now. So that's what I'm doing right now. For the night, I got a smoothie, strawberry banana smoothie, and some gluten-free toast and peanut butter. Brad is taking the boys out to eat tonight, so I'm going to that party. So I'm about to freshen up. I'm gonna eat real quick, freshen up, and then I told him to vlog, so we'll see if they vlog tonight. I don't know where they've decided to go to dinner. Don't forget to vlog! Well, I freshened up a little bit. I got normal clothes on now. I do still have Uggs on because Uggs are life, even though They low-key feel like house shoes, but they're super comfortable and warm. Anyway, I'm about to head out to the party, and yeah, I put that Urban Decay eyeliner, glitter eyeliner, and Urban Cowboy on like my inner corner, and it's like banging, and I'm liking it. So anyway, I also use this lip combo, is the two that I got last night, the Hourglass One Day and then the Marc Jacobs gloss in Changes, and it's really pretty together. Did y'all vlog?
No.
No, it's my dad's
Why?
fault. It's his fault.
Always.
We left the camera.
Because of Bradley.
We left the camera in the truck.
Because of Bradley.
No, it wasn't anybody's fault.
Yeah.
It was all of ours.
Yeah, except Bradley. When in doubt,
I'm still
blame
here. I
Bradley.
decided my friend's gonna come pick me up, so I don't have to drive all the way there. So I get to hang out with the kids a little bit longer, and the hub. Is that good?
Yeah.
I'm
Hey, what are we
super
doing with
jealous. That looks so good.
Hey, I have
Getting
something.
hot.
I have a question.
Okay.
Do y'all also randomly feel that you have to blow on ice cream?
You have to blow on ice cream?
I always do. Like I'm walking around
That
and
is
I'm
so-
focusing and I'm like, well, great.
That is so weird.
Because the breath is warm, not cold. Hey, you gotta read the comments of this video.
Okay, yeah. Let us know if you blow on your ice cream in the comments.
Hey guys! Today we are going to be taking over for Ashley because Ashley's going somewhere with my mom. This is what I have to deal with whenever I'm trying to record a little skit. Okay? So, we changed our mind to coming out here and riding the scooter, so we're going to do a time lapse of this. So let's get started.
Is there an internal light? Yes. Okay, I'm going to end
Head
the
south on South
Oh
Old
my
Betsy
God,
Road.
rude. I'm trying to end the vlog over here.
South. She's the friend.
Can you see with this light on for just a second? Okay, I'm ending the vlog because it's so late. It's almost midnight. I'm on my way home. I got some stuff at the
1,000
party,
feet, turn
but
left
I'm
onto
probably
East
not going to do a
Henderson
haul. Anyway, we've got to use GPS because we're lost. We have no idea where we're at. So, hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.